izi ni ncamake twirebera episode ikurikiye ni ya gatandatu ejo turayisoza ku mugaragaro ni hano kuri BTN TV izi ni ncamake z'ibyo twabonye yabubwira atagiye gura na sheri we sheri ngo witwa ngo Antoine bagiye gura uyu ni Liz Katururi buri munsi tuba twiruka duhiga ibisambo no FBI cyase bahiga abagizi ba nabi uyu niwe yagiye gusaba ubufasha aya mazina 5 ndagira ngo ndebere ikintu huriyeho twabibonye byose ajya kuri wa muhaka bita Celestin
Now each one of our victims thought they died of a simple heart attack.
Biragoye gusobanura famiye z'abantu bari gupfa ko batari kwicwa n'urupfu rusanzwe ahubwo kari urupfu rwarateguye ibyo byose twagiye tubona fanda bivuga Robert
These 5 names received a bank transfer of 50
bano bantu ko ari batanu bose bakiri 50 kuri konti zabo by'idolari
accessed each of the victims' accounts just hours before.
Bisa nkaho umuntu banje kujya muri konti zabo ari abana kahagera babonye kari uyu bo batanze imbere atekereza cyane kubarusha.
Here's the address.
Katururi.
Make sure no one.
Cyane na envelope kandi ukora kushe ntagira ukubona. Ni ifoto iriho Robert ari kumwe n'umusaza.
First few lines what? The sooner we locate him, the sooner we can get him.
Uko twabasha kubona Will Scott imbere niko twabasha kumenya ibiri muri ya liste. WAP ngo niyo password yashyize muri ya telefone ya Kati ryashamba arangisha arahamagara. Agiye amagara ibyo yabonye twabibonye hano twari turi yasanze umukobwa wabanaga mu nzu kirera ari umugambanyi twase bari kureba imbonda bose cyewe urebe cyewe to cye cyaje kobwa cyamucumbikiye ni ikigambanyi ntambara iratangira to kubitatababarira urebe kurayicoma baga biranga urebe umukobwa babanaga mu nzu nawe utebere cyewe kubita ipano biranga fata ibyuma mu gikona aramutera harashya urebe no banyaramubaga ni igikobwa babaraga kubita bari mu gikoni mugabo arabazwi kandi ubwo ngo barabashushu be bayo deposi ninja hasa kubita tababarira gukubita ubundi kubita tababarira utanarobanuye Katururi urihangana nari ndangaye we uyu ni ndumpamagara ndi mu kazi twirebera episode ya 6 bakise Cypher ndetse ku munsi w'ejo tuzagasoza ku mugaragaro ndetse izi filime none uzisanga ku gasobanurifilms.com iyo ni website y'ubwenge filime zose ubundi zibanza no gusohokeraho abavuga ngo mwabuze filime banze mumenye ibyo website ndetse ni website tubasha kurira mu buryo bukoroye kandi bwihuse bitakugoye aga filime gashya kose za season mwabuze ho zakomereje ni ku gasobanurifilms.com iyi ni Cypher Majid Simuri ni director Cypher episode 6 baby akurino akani yo kaje ku ishuri haraba bagakurikiye bagacunge sasiye gufatiye ninje twasiza yikubita do yahinduye imyenda do
why
kubiri kikwiri kaga kobwa atangiye ukabaza dore amacupa birirwa gabanywa ya duniya yote basangira wibutsa ko tombo rikomeje ya duniya yote umucuruzi utarangura ikinyorwa cyitwa duniya yote kubira iki ndabasigiramo publicity urebe abambere ukuntu bahembwe neza
You wouldn't understand.
we nako wabyumva
try me
ngerageza mbwira ntaribi
I can't.
sinshobora
enough games
mikinira hagije yawe
tell me who you really are
mbwira urinde kuko urinde
I will shoot
ndakurasa umugabo muri bande
It's the Cypher. It's always been the Cypher.
cyose byahoze ari ya Cypher ndetse n'ubu ni Cypher iriya Cypher nyine y'ikira gipapuro kiri amakode imipango yanyu yari ye
We needed an encrypted list
twari dukeneye liste irimo code
that our targets couldn't be identified
kugira ngo abantu tuzica cyangwa ibipimo byacu hatazagira umuntu bivumbura byoroshye.
using. You know that.
Urabizi ko igihe ari cyo kintu cy'ingenzi.
Can't be taken out too early.
Ibipimo byacu ntabwo twagomba kubyica mbere cyadutinze. Kubyicira ku gihe abari kuri liste bari bakeneye liste yanditse mu buryo bwa code.
How do I fit in, Claire?
None ngiye bino mbyisanga mu nterero Claire.
Tell me.
Gira. Rebe.
It was all Alex.
Byose ni Alex wabikoze.
He was a computer engineer.
Yari computer engineer. Yakoreraga organization yacu.
Alex designed the code.
Alex niwe wakoze iriya code urupapuro rurimo code. Alex ni cya cyerekira shi tugitangira.
Be the only one who could read it.
Ndetse niwe wenyine wari ushoboye no gusoma amazina y'abantu tuzica.
Write us with the names of our next target.
Niwe wajya gutubwira amazina yakuye muri rupapuro rwa code tukajya kuyica.
Alex shot himself.
Ubwo Alex yirasaga.
No way of knowing our next target.
Byaratugoye kongera kumenya abantu bari kuri liste natwe tuzica. Nibwo twakubonye.
You became our only option.
Uyituma amahitamo yacu yonyine nk'umuntu uzajya udusomera rero bivuze ngo n'umugabo y'amazina yose yajyaga asoma ari kumwe n'uyu mukobwa byafashaga abantu bagize bana bikujya kwica abantu kuko ntabwo bari bashoboye kuyisomera.
Called you in on the case.
Ubwo Kati niyo mpamvu yaguhamagaraga ku kirego.
Called Kurt about the first name that you had.
Ubwo hamagaraga Kati izina rya mbere abonye.
Ciphered. We verified that person.
Twabanje gukora verify tureka ari byo turangije twica uwo muntu.
We knew that you were capable of.
Nibwo twabonye kushoboye.
Doing the name, so you became the man for the job.
Wahise uba umugabo ubereye kano kazi.
And you got nervous that it was going to happen.
Wagise ubwoba rero ko bizaba.
The FBI.
Yes.
Ko FBI izabona kiriya gipapuro.
After the name you checked out, we had to get you away from the FBI.
So you faked my death. What about Kurt?
Naho si Kati byagenze gute?
He was collateral.
Kati rero yabipfiriyemo gutyo nyine.
We knew that he would be your first call, but we didn't consider the fact that
Bari tubizi ko ari we muntu wa mbere uzahamagara.
I didn't kill him.
Amakuru avuga ko ari nawe wamwishe ntabwo ari njye wamwishe.
It was an accident.
Yari impanuka. Kati yaramwirukanganye. Byose ni amakosa yawe isa yanjye. Gasani.
Kurt, my friend.
Kati yari inshuti yanjye y'amazina yose yagiye akuramo kode akamenya byafasha uno mukobwa yahitaga abwira abantu ati mujye kwica uyu n'uyu. Nabo ubwabo ntibari bashoboye gusoma kiriya gipapuro.
as a friend in this business, Will. But I need you to know
Nkeneye kumenya
that I never wanted to hurt you.
ko nigeze nifuza kukubabaza.
What's in this for you?
Ese we bintu birimo guti? Birimo
Me to keep a close eye on you.
Ngiye nakugumya iruhande nyine bashaka ko ngucunga.
Everything is calculated. Will.
Ibintu byose rega byari bibazwe.
The burial,
Kugushyingura,
your fake death,
kugaragaza ko wapfuye atari byo.
accident, all of it.
Yamanuka nk'ugonga byose byari byateguwe. Barategura.
Who are they?
Ni bande?
They're much bigger than you and I.
Baraturenze nge nawe barahambaye.
Everywhere.
Bari buri hamwe.
The government,
Muri leta,
banks,
muri banki,
the FBI,
muri FBI barimo,
CIA,
no muri CIA barimo turakorana.
control everything.
Bakontorora buri kimwe. Nyagasani.
Control the list.
Banakontorora iriya list. Torori.
I trusted you.
Narakwizeye.
Too bad.
Ni bibi cyane. Yaramaze kukizera kano gakobwa.
Will,
Will we.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
Sure.
Cyane. Nakubabariye genda uzagwa handi. Urebe byiza kubabarira ariko ukigendera. Ntongere kwiteza umuntu wababariye. Yeah. Tuvera tugaruke hano umwana avuye ku ishuri.
How was your day?
Umunsi wagenze ute?
Do they have to watch me all the time?
Ese bari abantu ni ngombwa bajye bancunga igihe cyose na polisi.
They're there to protect you, hon.
baba bari kukurinda
But at school,
ku ishuri
your own
ni
safety.
kubw'umutekano wawe.
They think that some of the things Daddy was involved in were dangerous.
batekereza ko hari ibintu papa wawe yakoze bishobora kuba byari bibi cyangwa se yari arimo byari bibi.
Tell you something.
anafite kukubwira.
Do you remember the other day when those agents came by to ask you questions about
uri kubwo aba agent bazaga bambaza ibibazo byerekeranye na so.
Anna?
Anna,
The reason they came by.
impamvu baje hano
Let me know that your father is still
bari
alive.
baje kumbwira ko se akiri muzima.
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
ese ibyo ndi kukubwira urabyumva?
Does change anything?
ibyo se hari icyo biri buhindure? kana kigize akantu gakuru, papa n'ubundi ntawe uri hano kandi kaza ahari ariko kuva ukuntu kibaraguza ngo ntacyo biri buhindurire, ubundi papa ntawe uri hano. yo ako nino basize bamuziritse. uyu basize baziritse bacaho. da ehe da azana afata telefone tururi. yeah.
I then decoded the text using a particular path, which allowed me to encipher.
uyu nguyu yakomeje kubabwira uburyo yakomeje gukoreshamo kugira ngo asobanukirwe ibiri ku rwandiko.
I think he's getting anywhere.
And I then
yaciye ku muntu ari kugera
columnar transposition
gukoresha icyitwa columnar transposition.
the text into a more regular pattern.
Ronnie,
And
ari kubasobanura ibintu byinshi umva.
you know the method.
ntabwo dushaka kumenya imitutu uri gukoresha, ibyo nibikureba.
To the chase. You got
weho gabanya amagambo uduhe ibisubizo.
I'm just
kagabo gafite amagambo yo kugaragaza ibikorwa ngo nzakoresha imitode ngo nkore gutya ngo nkatangire gutya. ubwo ati ibyo ntabwo tubikeneye, tubwira amatariki n'abantu bazicwa.
Sir, we need a...
buriya abakozi bararutana, hari abavuga hari n'abakora. ngira ngo wabibonye uburyo nuza akora mu Will Scott, we nugufata urupapuro akarara akora akakubwira ati dore amazina n'iki n'amatariki, ariko hano harati nzakora uku nzakora uku. uyu afande hari icyo bamuhaye, ni ifoto ye ari kumwe n'urusaza ahantu hejuru y'inzu. umusaza bari kumwe.
Where'd you get this?
iyo wayikuye he?
You find anything on our computer?
hari ikintu ukora kuri computer ye? yatwaye computer wa mukobwa sasa Claire wa mugambanye yizaniye amuhaka ngo yihakinga rebe n'ibiki birimo. telefone ye nta kintu kirimo,
There's no calls.
nta message ntaki, basiba ibintu byose. fata telefone umuntu ugasanga nta message n'imwe ibamo, nta muntu n'umwe yigeze ahamagara, nta na nimero isevinzemo.
Are not included in your
ibintu byose ukomeje kunywa hano uzabyishyura.
up. Ain't no freebies up in here.
hano nta bintu by'ubuntu bihaba.
A little, you give a little. You
uri ugomba gutwara bike ukishyura bike. ari kunywa duniya yote y'umugabo, kandi duniya yote buri umuntu mwana yipfa.
Here we go, baby.
tugire duniya yote ubu nicyo kinyobwa kigezweho mu Rwanda no hanze yacyo. sibyo Rabani we akunino. yo
How could you not have noticed? They took Kurt's phone.
gututari ubizi ko yarafite telefone kata. Antoine wa undi utereta wa mu agent wa FBI no akorana neza n'uyu mugore, nawe ni umugambanya akorana nabo. iyi ni inzu yawe. baramubaza nyagasana Antoine, umwe maze iminsi ngateretana na Rizi wa mu agent, nawe ni umugambanya.
You had a job and you failed.
wari ufite akazi ko gukora kakunaniye.
That's not all. He knows about Warp.
azi ibyerekeranye na WAP.
He must have scrolled through the phone's call history.
menya yarebye abantu yahamagaye angwaho.
You had one job and one job only.
wari ufite akazi kamwe konyine
And you screwed it up.
urakangiza.
I thought I made this clear to you. How important this is to Chris. How important Will is to us. How do you suggest that we explain this to him?
urumva bino turi buze kubisobanurira gute boss?
Stupid girl.
I was
Don't.
okay. You ever touch me like that again, I'll kill you.
nongera kunkora ndakwica.
You say what you want. This one's on you.
vuga ibyo ushaka gusa umenye ko rino kosa ari iryari wewe warikoze riri kuri wowe. Cye bamuvumbuye kandi bashaka uriya musore akomeza kugenda akuramo kode iki n'iki bamenye abantu bose bazicaho kuko nabo ntabwo bafite umuntu wabakuriramo kode ngo bamenye uwo bica.
Hit list. Orders to date.
ya list y'abantu bazicwa
By name.
amazina y'ibipimo.
Any of this sounding interesting?
ese bino bintu byose urumva biri hari icyo bikubwiye birashishikaje?
Chick is hardcore.
Mani bino bintu biragoye cyane.
What?
You've been living a lie, buddy.
maze ubuzima ubayeho mu kinyoma.
A fiddle.
I know.
bamaze igihe uriya mukobwa gukina.
Keep tailing Will. If he diverts from the GPS coordinates at any point, hit him and proceed to plan B.
bano bantu bisa nkaho bagendera ku bintu bimeze nk'ikibarangira amerekezo bahagera byakwanga bakazana plan B.
Play it slow.
baramubwiye ati message ari gusoma.
Focused.
uwo muhungu uzatumye yibanda ku kazi ke
Importantly,
ujye utuzanira amazina y'ibipimo tugomba kwica.
ciphers them.
ubwo azajya bamaze gukuramo kode.
How could I have been so stupid?
nabaye ikigoryi.
What?
iki
The going gets rough.
ibintu nibikomera
Like to use Anna as last resort.
tukwemereye kuzakoresha Anna kugira ngo uwo mugabo tumukontorore. Anna n'umwana we.
Well,
ngo nibyanga bazakoresha Anna umwana we kandi koko byanze. bisa neza.
Car keys.
what? My car?
imfunguzo z'imodoka ziri hehe? ziri hehe? amenye ko ubwo bagabo ubwo yabavumbuye bashobora kuba bakoresha umwana we. Gasani.
I'm gonna charge him the big bucks. He'll see.
umuginga nzamwishyuza shahu menshi. dore imodoka yavugiraga ngo batwaye.
Damn it, pick up!
taba telefone ari guhamagara mu rugarebe. katururi nya katururi.
Damn it!
I already told you, he's my information provider
uwo ni umuntu ucuma amakuru.
in this case since the beginning.
niwe wamaga amakuru kuri iki kirego.
Behind the warehouse, too?
ese niwe wagoye n'aya makuru yo muri warehouse cyahandi baturaguye iki gipapuro.
First, he's the one.
yego niwe wambaye amakuru.
How come you didn't tell us?
kuki utabitubwiye?
I thought we were supposed to be a team here.
nari nzi ko turi ikipe hano.
I know that it looks bad, okay?
ndabizi kandi birasana nabi.
He looks too clean to be an informant.
ariko uyu mugabo ko mbona ari umuntu urenze atagombye kuba ari ba bantu batanga amakuru. ni wa CIA?
Yes,
yego
my informant is CIA.
uwo muntu umpa amakuru ni wa CIA. uriya musaza
I can't tell you more at this time.
nta birenzeho ndi bubabwire.
Okay, I wanted to tell you guys, but it just wasn't the
nari
right.
kuzabibabwira ariko igihe ntabwo cyari icyanyacyo.
Hey, you both know that in this line of business,
murabizi muri no business dukora
we operate in silence.
dukora bucece mu ibanga rikomeye.
So I'm going to ask you both to trust me right now and
niyo mpamvu ugiye kubasanga umunyizere nonaha.
be quiet for the time being.
kandi namwe mwe mucecetse ntimugire icyo muvuga nonaha. sibyo? niba akora akazi
We never really doubted you.
ntabwo twigeze tugushidikanyaho.
You can count on us.
Good. Reese,
Tito,
thank you.
baramusezeranije.
I do have one more question.
ariko hari ikindi kibazo nshaka kubaza
Shoot.
cyane.
Someone slid these under my door, which means they wanted me to know about your informant.
hari umuntu wazanye runo rwandiko runyuze munsi y'urugi rwanjye bisa nkaho bashaka kumenya uguha amakuru. ninde wari unyoherereje? sasa uyu nguyu yahise aziwe iwe hararinzwe hari abashinzwe umutekano. kuko uyu mugabo ari guhigwa yaje iwe kuko yabonye ko abagizi ba nabi ahanganye nabo cyangwa atangiye kugenda asa nk'uvumbura ibyabo bashobora kwifashisha umwana we. Katurori aje we. Yeah. Aje we. Akiga kimenya umwana bimeze bita umwana ari he. Yeah. Fata umugore we ni njyewe wisakuza.
What the hell are you doing?
Kuri cyane.
She here. Where's Anna?
How did you get past the cops?
Bara polisi bacitse ute?
I'm getting just fine.
It was your
Anna! Where is she?
Will, everybody is looking for you. Is it
Wira abantu bose bari gushaka.
What have they said?
Ibyo bavuze n'ibyo bavuze iki?
you're dangerous?
Bavuze kuri mubi cyane.
How could you do this to us? Fuck you pretending you were dead. To your daughter!
Ukagaragaza ko wapfuye n'umukobwa wahari.
Elia, we do not have time.
Mubeshye. Nta gihe dufite kibi.
Don't leave this house this minute.
Ndagira ngo nsohokere mu rugo cyangwa mpamagare polisi. Anna ari hehe?
You cannot just pretend you're dead, then come waltzing back.
Ntabwo wabeshye isi yose ngo warapfuye nurangiza uze mu rugo rwanjye witegembya.
Disrupted enough.
Umwana we wamutesha umutwe bihagije ikirayo umugabo ajya kwirebera umwana none umugore afite amagambo menshi. Yeah. Kugera hano ku idirishya ry'umwana hariho urwego bisa nkaho umwana yagiye cyangwa se yatwawe kimwe muri ibyo. Katurori do bano bari hano ni babiri ni abagambanyi. Yeah. Ni Claire na Antoine. Zahano n'umukobwa.
Has he decoded any more of the names?
Ese arandi mazina yari yamaze gukuramo kode?
I don't think so.
Siko mbikeka.
What do we do now?
Dukora iki?
We have to tell them.
Dufite kubabwira.
You tell them. It's your fault, not mine.
Amakosa nawe sayanjye niwe ugomba kujya kubibabwira ubwo ni ba boss.
It's not safe here. Not anymore.
Kandi hano hantu ntabwo harinzwe.
It's not safe anywhere.
Nta hantu hamwe ahubwo harinzwe.
Claire.
Claire.
I got your laptop, your phone.
Uriya mugabo Will Scott ajya kugenda atwaye telefone yawe atwara liste atwara na laptop.
Papa's password protected. So
Laptop yanjye ifite password. Ntabwo yapfa kuyinjiramo. Kumbe ntabwo bazi ko bayishyiriye Celestin w'umuhaka.
Phone? You can bet they're just gonna crack this shit in no time.
Nimba bakuye password muri telefone ya Kat, nawe laptop yawe na telefone baraza kubyinjiramo. Katurori.
I wanna be in your shoes right now.
Sinshaka kuba ndi mu cyimbo cyawe nona. Bakiraho hari uwasonenye.
Expecting anyone?
Hari umuntu warutegereje we? Oya. Urakomanze. Bikangamo. Nta muntu ujya ubasura iyo bumvisha umushyitsi akomanze bakura y'imbunda. Ndebere nawe. Nanjye buriya nikomeze nta muntu ujya unsura iyo numvisha umuntu akomanze ninsohokana ikiba umwuko. Bebe. Kumba kana dore ngo karigemura. Ana dore ngo karigemura cyane ko kazi ko papa wakaba hano. Uyahita hisha imbunda. Imbunda amenya bayitwara ahantu habi niyo mpamvu ntayikunda. Papa ari hano.
She was right there, Will. She was right.
Umwana wongera ari hana kana kijyanye kagiye kuri papa akantu papa yabaga nikazi ko kigemuye mu bagambanyi.
What happened?
Blaming me is not going to change a thing.
We were
Kukira amakosa nacu biri buhindure.
getting over you.
I just have...
Tetura nakurambiwe pe.
Please!
Basi imisegonda n'ikirizo ariko ndakwinginze wa mugore we.
Rock,
Gasana. Kwitana ba mwana ntacyo bifasha.
how long has she been in her room for?
Umwana wacu amaze igihe kinini mu cyumba.
Hour, maybe.
Nk'isaha ndakeka.
We have to go to the police.
Tujye kuri polisi rero.
We can't go to the police, Leah.
Ntabwo twite tujye kuri polisi reya.
We need to tell them.
Dufite kujya kubwira polisi.
Get our daughter back.
Umukobwa wacu ndaza kumugaruza.
Will, I am not risking our daughter's life.
Ubuzima bw'umukobwa wacu ntabwo nabushyira mu kangaratete.
But trust the police.
Muri kano kanya na polisi ntabwo twayizera reka.
Our daughter's life is at risk.
Ariko ubuzima bw'umukobwa wacu buri mu kangaratete.
Help.
Dukeneye ubufasha.
This whole thing started because I trusted a cop.
Ibi byose byatangiye kubera ko nizeye polisi.
To Kurt, he's...
Nizeye Kat.
I don't-
Kat aniga agatego.
Of course you don't.
We ntabwo ushaka kunyumva. Mve.
Will,
Well.
Look at me.
Ndeba.
I know you don't love me anymore.
Ndabizi ntabwo ukinkunda.
But I know you love our daughter.
Ariko ndabizi ukunda umukobwa wacu.
For her sake, we have to go to them.
Basi kubwirika tugiye kuri polisi. Tujye kwitabaza polisi. Mwana yabuze.
Call this number.
Hamagara sino nimero. Uyu twamwizera. Ndakwinginze Well. Bakiraho hari ndi yahamagaye.
Hi Daddy.
Bite papa ni njyewe. Naje kureba hamwe wabaga muri ghetto ndakubura. Nje ntungire ikibazo. Ndi kumwe na Sara ni Claire. Ajyanye ahantu ngo kurya. Bayi papa nyagase nisemenya ku mwana wiyigemuye muri babagizi ba nabi yasize aziritse.
Tell me, was that her?
Wera umwana wacu. Gasani. Well. Gasani.
Where are we going?
Tugiheze duru umwana.
Your dad wants us to meet him at a place not too far away from here.
Papa yambwiye ngo nkujyana ahantu hatari hano kumbe bashimusa kana. Ni kabizi.
Send him a message.
Nika tumwereze message.
Go.
Is it picture?
No, video.
Ugiye kumfata ifoto zo ya ni video.
Why are you videotaping me?
Uri sukuri kumfata video.
For your dad.
Tuyoherereze so.
Hey Dad, we
Bite papa turagukumbuye bagashimusa.
That's perfect.
Byo ni sawa. Gasani. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna wait here.
What? No, Will, I'm going with
listen. Right now, I'm on the FBI's bad side. You're walking there now, it's just gonna...
Nje na FBI ntabwo tumeranye neza ninjira mu bira bikibazo.
This could turn into a dangerous situation. I'm not putting you in the middle of something that can turn bad. So if things cool down, someone's gonna come here and they're gonna...
Ibintu bituza byibura umwe ashifite kugarukana ariko reka mbyinde ngiyenyine bagiye kuri FBI.
Okay.
Okay.
Be careful.
Wirinde.
Yeah.
Avayo. Gumaho mu modoka arigemuye kuri FBI. Yeah. Ebe umugabo FBI iri guhiga. Ni umuntu wa mbere wibuke bari guhiga kuri iki kirego banakeka. Katururi yinjiye muri FBI ku cyicaro gikuru. Uko wumva Tirock Entertainment ni icyicaro gikuru cy'agasobanuye muri East Africa. Ndetse ukeneye no kwamamaza ni wamagara ku cyicaro gikuru. Uyu nawe ari hano. Yeah. Yinjiyemo. Yeah. Katori. Urebe. Tu. Makabarizanye.
So the only way to figure out who took this photograph is to find out where it was developed.
Mbere ko tumenye ifoto wayifotoye tugomba kubanza kumenya abayihanaguriye cyase yasohokeye. Ibigo bikomeye bisohoye amafoto bishyiraho tags zabo inyuma.
On the back of the photo.
Good, so we're looking for a small lab.
Bivuze ngo bayikoreye muri laboratoire ntoya. Nko basore no foto niyo bayihanaguriye. Bari hano muri FBI. Uyu kwinjira mbona mubona ku kanya tunga imbunda. Hey, yahigwaga. Sura ye barayizi bano bikangamo. Hagiyeho ubuduha ko ari umugizi wa nabinjiye muri FBI. Umuyobozi wa FBI avayo. Gasani. Robert. Barebye umugabo bikangamo bari bari guhiga rizanye. Agent Martin.
Scott.
Nitwa Willie Scott.
I don't believe we've been formally introduced.
Menya hari imbere tutari presentanye neza. Ubu ni ngiyewe ndizanye. Aje kwipresenta. Ibisigaye mu bindekere. Rebe. Bikanzemo. Bari bari guhiga baramwiboneye. Mwana ari hano. Bagashimuse ni kabizi ngo kazi ko gategereje papa. Bwahe. Yeah. Kana kari hano. Rebe. Hakunino. Mvumagambo. Bashan. Kobwa rawe yasize akana yaje hano.
Where is she?
Umwana ari.
Put her in one of the rooms.
Namushyize muri kimwe mu byumba. Ntago akwiye kuba ari hano kubwira.
Do that to protect her or us?
Wabikoze ngo urinda ko kana si cyangwa urinde twe. Uravuga iki? Boss Chris. Umusaza twigeze kumubona yica abantu. Yitwa Chris.
I'm talking about your intention.
Ndavuga icyo warugamije.
Claire.
Claire we. Ujya guhisha umwana.
Trying to prevent her from overhearing sensitive information.
Cyawagira ngo uriya mwana tumva ikiganiro nk'iki turi kuganira gikomeye.
Meeting here or were you trying to keep the little...
Cyawa uri kugerageza kurinda kariya kana.
Both.
Byombi. Katumva ibyacu no kurinda uburibwe.
Servant or a...
Bundi bugomba kuba umukozi w'umwizerwa cyangwa
honest enemy.
Cyangwa ukaba umwanzi weruye.
No middle ground here.
Kuba loyal servant cyangwa se honest enemy. Uvuga ati nge ndi umwanzi wawe ukicara unabiza pana kuryarya umuntu.
No.
Abwira ngo ndagukunda umwanga nibyo bibi.
A snake and a mouse strike a deal.
Inzoka n'imbeba byigeze kugirana rero amasezerano. Umve.
The snake tells the mouse that as long as it brings it,
inzoka ibwira imbeba ati mu gihe cyose uzajya unzanira ibyo kurya,
keep it safe.
Weho ntacyo nzagutwara.
And live together in peace.
Tuzabana mu mahoro. Inzoka ibwira imbeba ati ujye unzanira icyo kurya.
Brings his other mouse.
Imbeba ikajya kuzana izindi imbeba z'inshuti yazo.
The snake eats one after another.
Inzoka ikarya zambi, inzoka ikarya zambi.
Now keeping its promise.
Kugira ngo yambeba nanone irinde isezerano.
The mouse meets another mouse.
Umunsi umwe imbeba iza guhura n'indi mbeba nanone. Biba inshuti magara.
But the snake is hungry.
Ariko iyo nzoka yari ishonje.
The mouse was taken a liking to his friend.
Nanone imbeba ifata ya mbeba y'inshuti yayijyana ku nzoka.
To save itself.
Ariko nanone ya mbeba bwira ya nshuti yayo imbeba ati wirinde inzoka itakurya.
The snake knew.
Inzoka irabimenya ko imbeba yayigambaniye.
Was up to something.
Imenya ko ya mbeba yayizaniraga izindi mbeba ngo izirye hari ikiri gupanga. Inzoka ntikibabarira.
Don't forgive.
Inzoka ntishobora kubabarira. Muzi.
You know what the snake did next?
Uzi iki imbeba inzoka yahise ikora? Muzehe. Kandi ubwo abakomeje iyo nkuru ye anarakaye. Vayo. Inzoka yakoze iki? Zana.
It got out of its hole.
Inzoka yavuye mu mwobo wayo.
Slithered its way to the mice.
Slithered its way to the mice.
Ate them.
Ikuruzinda mpaka igeze kuri ya mbeba.
Both.
Izirya zombi.
I'm really disappointed, Claire.
Nengushye cyane Claire. Ubwo ni nko kumbwira ati nawe nakwicana nako kana uri kugerageza kurinda kandi ari wakanzaniye abo nica.
We don't need it.
Iyo laptop nayo dukeneye. Y'umukobwa.
Listen up.
Mwumve.
We've already set the bait.
Twamaze gutega gatego.
All we have to do now is wait for Will to bite.
Icyo dutegereje nuko Willy agwa muri ako gatego. Kandi arakagwamo.
Just a matter of time.
Nuko igihe kitaragera tu.
We need to retrieve the computer.
Ariko dufite kugaruza computer.
That content remains confidential.
Ko ibiri muri iyo computer biguma ari ibanga. Ni computer y'umukobwa batwaye. Katururi. watwaye computer y'umukobwa ni Will yishyiriye wa muhaka bita Celeste.
Chris, I don't want this little girl to get hurt.
Sinshaka uyu mukobwa babara.
Consequences, Claire.
Ingaruka Claire.
You made a mistake.
Wakoze ikosa. Wakoze ikosa.
As Will cooperates.
Mu gihe Will papa uriya mwana yemera gukora natwe ndashaka unsezeranye.
Like I said, it's up to Will Scott.
Nuko nakubwiye Will ni uri buze guhitamo icyo dukora.
He can stay in line long enough.
Turebe ko yaguma mu murongo igihe kirekire gihagije. Will ni yemera gukorana nabo akana ke ntacyo bari bugatwara.
Just doesn't add up, Will.
Ndabona bitari gura Will.
The coffin, the accident, Kurt. Doesn't make any sense. And right now, you are our #1 suspect.
Niwe muntu wa mbere buno dukeka.
With all due respect, sir.
Mu cyubahiro cyanjye kubahwa.
This shit's whether or not you believe me.
Ntago mbyitaho nimba unyizera cyangwa utanyizera.
Take me away.
Kimfunga unjyane.
I came here of my own free will because I cannot continue solo.
Nizanye hano ku bushake bwanjye kuko ntashakaga gukomeza kwikorana.
My daughter needs your help, so arrest me.
Umukobwa wanjye akeneye ubufasha.
Promise you will get her back.
Mumfunga ariko munsezeranye ko umukobwa wanjye muri bumugarure.
Do you believe your ex-husband?
Isohoza umugabo uramwizeye ibyo ari kuvuga. Baza umugore. Tigiye mumfunga ariko umukobwa wanjye. Yego umugabo wanjye namwizeye. Umugore.
Okay.
Okay.
Play me your daughter's message.
Reka twumve ubutumwa umukobwa yakoherereje. Arabakinira bite papa?
I came to see you, but you weren't there.
Naje kureba ariko ntabwo wari uhari. Je nungire ikibazo.
She's taking me out with her new friend to go eat something.
Sara anjanye gugura n'izindi nshuti ze.
Last thing she said was that she's going with Claire and one of her friends somewhere.
Amakuru ya nyuma yatanze ngo yarajyanye n'uwitwa Claire kureba undi muntu w'inshuti yabo.
We are terribly sorry about what's going on, but we will do our absolute best to get your...
Utware kubikuba ariko turakora uko dushoboye. Tukari umwana wawe.
Watch.
Mwana wanjye ngo mwarimu murinzi.
Listen, dude.
Kandi ubwo ko hanze urugo rwabo hahoraga imodoka ya polisi ngirinze umwana.
Willing to run with your story, okay? For now.
Muri akanya rero.
I'm going to need some collateral, Will, okay? To make sure that this isn't some sort of a setup.
Nyeneye ko dukorana kugira ngo menye ko bino bintu atari agatego.
This is just a lot to take in.
Bino bintu biragoye ko tubyakira. Urashaka duhere. Hari laptop mfite.
Laptop, good.
Laptop byiza.
It belongs to Sarah.
Ni ya Sara.
And it has a ton of code on it.
Irimo amakode menshi cyane.
Where do we find this?
Iyo laptop turekure.
Someone working on it as we.
Iyo laptop rene yisigiye mugenzi wanjye.
Okay, where do we find this?
Uwo mugenzi we turamusanga ye bamwita Celeste.
Okay. We need to know where this guy is.
Turashaka kumenya Celeste wasigiye iyo laptop w'umuhaka ari he. Umuhaka wibuke leta nayo biri kumuhiga. Katorori.
Okay, I'll take.
Sawa. Reka mbajyane.
Well, I'm afraid not. I think you can give us an address.
Wewe uradu address?
I don't trust you yet.
Kuko ntago turakwizera twijyane.
You back out on the street.
Ntago twete tugusubiza ku muhanda.
I don't have an address.
Nta address zimfite.
You know where it is by way of memory.
Gusa mu mutwe nzahana tuye tugiye nahabereka ariko sinzi uko hitwa. Hari igihe uzana umuntu atuye ariko utibuka ngo gisara ahantu nagusuye hitwa ngo iki ariko hibuka.
Prisoner?
Ese hano nabaye imfungwa umwana.
No, what makes you think that?
Ni igitumye utekereza gutyo.
Door was locked.
Umuryango wari ufunze.
Well, that's to keep others from coming in.
Oya no kugira ngo abantu batatwinjirana baturutse hanze. Uyu mukobwa ariko nubwo yashimusika no kana we nifuza akakana bakababaza.
That's okay.
Meze sawa.
What are the guards for?
I work with a guy and he likes to feel safe, so we hire.
Umugabo dukorana yifuza ko twaba dutekanye niyo mpamvu.
So.
Is Daddy coming?
Ese papa araza ryari?
Can you take me home? My mom's gonna be worried.
Ntabwo ntahana mu rugo mama arahangayitse.
Well, actually, your dad is with your mommy right now, and he told her.
Papa wari kumwe na mama none habura yamubwiye ko umeze neza nta kibazo.
He did?
Koko se?
Yeah.
Yego.
Yeah, everything is gonna be okay.
Ibintu byose biraza kumera sawa.
Come here together?
Baraza kuzana na hano se?
They said.
Niko bambwiye.
Okay. Who hurt you?
Ninde wakubabaje?
Oh, that was nothing. I just.
Bino ntacyo naguye arabeshya. Arabeshya ni papa w'umwana wamukubise cyagiye bari kurwana iminwa yabyimbye. urebe bidatinze barakwereka hano hari zafashe inzira zirerekera weguma mu modoka bamuzanye arahaberetse aho Celestin akorera. Celestin niwe yasigiye laptop ya wa mukobwa ukorana n'abano.
He's innocent. Just grab the laptop.
Mwibuke ko Celestin arengana mufate laptop ye gusa. Yo. Yo. Binjira hano aho Celestin akorera. Celestin niwe wasigiwe laptop na telefone bya wa mukobwa. Clay bivuze ngo baje kubyinjiramo bashobora kubona ibyo yakoreragamo muri telefone muri laptop ibyo yakoraga amabanga ye byose. Bura nanjye laptop yanjye itwaye hari byinshi wamenya nakoraga. By'ubwenge ariko amaproje ibintu byubaki. Cyane cyane buramba ndi gutegura imishinga y'ukuntu mwakizwa mukareka imico mibi. Binjiye hano kwa Celestin. Abashinzwe umutekano. Jirano. Rebe. Kwinjira hano. Celestin bamurangije kare. Hey! Celestin yishwe. Bari abagabo ntago bakina. Celestin bamurangije kare. Bamurabye.
Okay. Tugiye kurabira hamwe ukuntu twokora agasarade karyoshe kandi gatwara amafaranga make cyane abaho. Nk'umuntu nk'umumama agategura umufasha wiwe cyangwa umukunzi wawe usanga ari ibintu bimeze neza cyane. Abantu benshi bagumye babisaba no musere nabonye yuko byo babyiza yuko noshobora kuyikora nkayibasangiza nkabereka ukuntu bakora salade mix y'amafaranga makeya cyane. Icyo usabwa gusa wewe kora follow, udukore sabone, udukore partage, udukore commentaire kuri uyu muyoboro wacu kuri ino channel yacu ariyo Gwanyu. Muzohora murabira ko ibintu byo kwiga guteka n'abamaze kuyikora bose ndabashimiye cyane muri rusange kuri ino channel yacu ya BFT Entertainment. Amajambo yose ni Burundi Future Talent, aho muzohora murabira ko ibiganiro bitandukanye, cinema, comedy n'ibindi byinshi, documentary, ibiganiro nyene byo guteka byose murahawe ikaze kuri uno muyoboro wacu wa BFT. Murahawe ikaze rero tugiye gutangira. Urabona yuko ngahanya dufise imbugita, dufise akarape, dufise karoti, dufise concombre, dufise urutomati, dufise igitunguru. Ibyonya mu kubitegura abanza ukabironga neza n'amazi meza, hama ukacusha no kugasane kameze neza kogeje bien, hama ugacutangura kurapa uhera ku ntuza ku ikaroti, uhera kucushaka kikorohera, hama ukarapa karoti. Chukurikiza ko concombre nayo ukagirapa nka kujya warafye ikaroti. Concombre nayo urayirapa ibi biguca bigufasha yuko wakoresheje urutomati konkombre imwe muge iyo uyirafye nk'uko unye utabaye buyikatagure udupande pande ahanya bigufasha yuko ikigwira usanga isarade yagwiriye ayabaye nyinshi cyane kuko urabona yuko ni konkombre imwe twagace duherereyemwo yari isa n'iyizimvye gusa gatonya isa n'iyanzimvye gato kubera ikaritiye mbamwo ariko urashobora kuba uri muri karitiye usanga konkombre izimbutse muga gusa ntivyatwa amafaranga menshi cyane ntiworeka kurya agasarade ngo nuko ngo byazimvye oya hamuheje gukurapa konkombre bana yuko ari ibintu bisa neza cyane akarega salade gaheze wagateguriye umusheri wawe yaje kukuraba mu igeto cyanye umumama yagateguriye umufasha wiwe urana yuko ari ibintu biba bimeze bien hana yuko ucukata igitunguru naco cukurikiza ku igitunguru naco ugagikata neza ukakata udupande duto duto kugira ngo navyo nyene bise neza urakata neza witonze kwa nimbuga itarigiye usanga yagukataguye mu maboko kandi byose nababwiye ukoresha n'isuku rimeze neza amazi meza intoki uba wazikarabye byose wabironze naho tugiye ku rutomati nagone urarukata mukaruca mu kabiri hama icucukoro ucubanza ugakanyamwo zirya mbuto ziri mu kazikanya pembeni nk'ubu je nabanje kuzikanya ndazikura murabibona yuko nazikuyemo zirya mbuto kubera hari igihe usanga bisarisha imbuto zagumyemo hama ucutukatagura utumoroso nahone duto duto kugira ngo nyene salade isite gusa ineza iyi ni salade bitwa salade mix uravangamwo ibinyene mwabonye aha rero ni uko nyene nashatse korosha ibintu kugira ngo nyene kaba gasalade kamake karyoshe ahanye ufise ireti amareti ucushiramwo ufise irigi ugashiramwo ntaco biba bitwaye usanga naho ni nyene salade yagumye iryoha kurusha mugano ngahanya ntiworeka kwakira umushitsi wawe yaje kugutembere ngo nuko ngo ivyo bitarimo ibi ni salade ya mbere yoroshe cyane yoroshe gose urabona yuko ukatagura udutomati udupande duto piyese duto kugira ngo nyene bibe muri wa mugo wo kugwira kuko hari n'undi muntu ashobora gukataguramwo gacamwo ibipande bine ugasanga nyine salade yakesha muga ngaho ukataguye duto watwitondeye usanga salade nyine yagwiriye kandi wakoresheje ikintu kimwe kimurana nk'ubisiniya yuzuye nk'ibi n'isinu bijya tubimare turatumira n'ababanyi bose nyine bo mu ikaritiye baze bajyeko murabona yuko nahejeje gukata byose nakase byose utomati ya konkombre ya karoti ca gitunguru urana yuko nyene ari utuntu nyene turi statique nyene ukuntu turi aesthetique ukuntu nyene tumeze neza dusa neza urana yuko ari utuntu tubereye ijisho rero reka dukurikize ko icitwa ivoka ufata ivoka gusa ivoka mwino minsi mw'abantu irazimvye ivoka irazimvye kabisa ariko si cane biterwa gusa nababwiye ikintu cose kizimba bitewe n'ikaritiye uherereyemo ukuntu imeze urabona yuko uca ufata ivoka nayo ukayironga neza n'amazi meza kwa nababwiye salade ni ikintu co kwitonde gusaba yuko ukorera isuku kuba utagikoreye isuku uragwara mu nda hamuhejeje gurikata uca ukatagura udupiyese duto duto nk'uko nyene mubona ndiko ndabikora urarangije ugakatagura udupande duto duto kugira ngo nyene ahone isalade ikomeze gusa neza idata forme murabona yuko durahejeje gukata ya avoka ana yuko isalade isa neza pe isa neza ngana nabibutsa mukomeze kwibuka gukora subscribe mukore jeme wakunze ino video udusangize n'ikindi gitekerezo n'ikindi kintu ushaka yuko twoguzokora kugira ngo kimenye ukuntu bagikora hanyuma ucushamwe akamagi mwabonye uhejeje gushiramo akamagi ushiramo akadimu kugira ngo ugabanye amamikrobe abarimwo kandi n'igitunguru kigabanye ubukare urabizi yuko igitunguru kitarimo indimu usanga kibaba ariko ukanyemo akadimu bwa bukare buca buragabanuka ana yuko ushishamo akadimu kagakanyiramo urayikanya neza witonze kugira ngo amazi arimwo hari indimu usanga zitarimwo amazi menshi uragerageza rero ukagakanya kugira ngo umusosi urimwo uvemwo kandi uritonda kugira ngo n'imbuto ntizikorokeremwo anaje zatibukimo muganda zikuramo harya nahejeje unacishiramo mayonnaise rero ushizemo mayonnaise ucuvanga ucukora ibintu cyitwa melange ukabimixa ushira aho onyura uvanga nyine kugira ngo ya ndimu na ya magi na ya mayonnaise washizemo kugira ngo bishobore gukora. Hama guys, ku muntu wese yakunze ino video nakore partage isangize bagenzi biwe abone ukuntu bakora agasalade kameze neza k'ubwenge, akore komanteri uvuga ico wayinenze ku ino video cyangwa uvuga ico wayikundiye. Ivyonya biraduha izindi mbaraga zidasanzwe. Mwibuke no gukora subscribe. Hama mwakoze nababwiye ukoze subscribe ubu wa mbere kubona video tuba dupostinze kuko notification ikugeraho nyene ngo nyene ucubona video tupostinze ugacuba mu ba mbere kuyiraba. Uko mwakoze kubana nanje abaravye video mwubawe muri abantu banje ukomeze kunteza imbere kuri uno muyoboro wa BFT Entertainment Burundi Future Talent. Uyu n'umuyoboro ugiye kubasangiza ibitekerezo byinshi cyane. Murakoze.